Good day to drive, especially in this 2025 Honda CR-V Sport with white exterior, black interior, sitting for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include moonroof, winter package, trailer tow hitch, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar. Carpeted mats on the floor, your trunk release, light controls, and traction control. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, heated steering wheel control, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got your volume and tuner and media controls, air vents and hazard light, dual climate control system with heated seats, air conditioning, defrost, and more functions, room for storage underneath with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports, your gear shift dial, selectable drive modes to switch them depending on the road and weather conditions, hill descent control, auto start and stop, and your electronic parking brake and brake hold, 2 cup holders, console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, light controls, and your moonroof control. But the screen will be manual, but the glass will be powered. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rack and rails, gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Honda badging. Trailer tow hitch. To open your lift gate, just press the button below the badging. Here it will pull it up for you, and you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, a tonneau cover, a 12-volt outlet, and lightning to enhance your nighttime visibility when you're putting stuff in the cargo area. And when you're done, press the button above you on the right side. Here it will close it for you, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just pull the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area. Anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, slim pocket behind the front passenger seat, your air vents, moonroof, hooks and handle, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, privacy glass at the back windows, roof rack and rails, body colored adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal and blind spot monitoring, halogen headlights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.